beautiful. Mally Roncal from Mally Beauty here, and we are with David's Bridal today. We are so excited because we've created this beautiful rustic and romantic look on my beautiful Omega. Now, let's get into this dress for a second, guys. Hello, because look how gorgeous she looks in this beautiful David's Bridal dress. We have a little cutout here with the beautiful mesh, just looking sexy and beautiful and elegant. Now, let's talk about the makeup look that we created with this rustic and romantic look. We're taking our beautiful Mally Beauty David's Bridal Bridesmaid Survival Kit. This gorgeous palette is included, and we used 3 gorgeous shades. We used this beautiful, beautiful After Hours, which is a wonderful gold. We used it all over the lid. Now, we took Girls Night Out, we popped that in the inner corners and even on the center of the lid, but the real gorgeous final look is not complete without Dance Party, which is this beautiful soft brown, works beautifully with the entire look. Now, let's talk about lips. You're gonna get this gorgeous lip gloss in this beautiful pumped up pink. So not only is it gonna give you the most gorgeous lip color, but it's actually gonna make your lips look plumper, juicier, and amazing for every picture you're in.